Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Shura Gains channel. In case you are new here, please do subscribe, and in case you already are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Keep listening and welcome back. On that note, let's begin today's video. Well, over the years, NSE has introduced large number of Nifty indices and new indices are being introduced every year. But individual investors can invest in those indices only where some index fund or ETF has been launched by some AMC. In fact, we had made a video on the top 3 indices among the commonly mentioned indices earlier. Link of the video is given in the description, you can have a look. Today we have brought for you an index whose ETF has been launched quite recently by Kotak Mutual Fund. So let's see Nifty Alpha 50 Index for high returns. For starters, Nifty Alpha 50 Index was launched in November 2012. Base date was December 31st, 2003 and base value was 1000. It is mentioned on niftyindices.com on August 30, 2022 that since inception, this index has given a return of 19.97%. Total return was even higher at 20.10%. A return of 19.97% since inception is indeed quite high. This index aims to measure the performance of stocks listed on NSE with high alphas. There are 50 constituent companies of this index. These 50 companies must rank within the top 300 companies by average free float market capitalization and average turnover for the last 6 months. Final selection of 50 companies is done on the basis of shares alpha values and index rebalancing is done every quarter. Kotak AMC has recently launched Kotak Nifty Alpha 50 ETF and this can be easily bought and sold just like any other listed share in the stock market. Investors can invest in this ETF for taking advantage of the high potential returns of this index. In future, more ETFs and index funds based on this index may be launched by different AMCs. It may be noted here that in the short run, value of this index can also go down, but long-term investment in this index can be quite rewarding. So this index merits a look by discerning investors for surer gains in the future. Though let me add a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor and do your own analysis before making any investment decision. Thank you so much for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe and happy investing.